In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Facebook cache. This can be a helpful trick if you're experiencing issues with Facebook, such as slow loading times or outdated information being displayed. Clearing your cache is like giving Facebook a fresh start, allowing it to load new data by removing stored temporary files. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to your Facebook account. It's important to ensure that you're logged in, as some steps might require you to access specific settings that are only available once you're signed in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, you'll want to turn your attention to your keyboard. Now, here's where a handy keyboard shortcut comes into play. Press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all at the same time. This shortcut will bring up a window that allows you to clear your browsing data. This window might look slightly different depending on the browser you're using, but the main options should be similar across most browsers. If you're using a Mac, you can use Command, Shift, and Delete instead. Once the window has appeared, you'll see several options, such as browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. To specifically clear the Facebook cache, ensure that the option for cached images and files is checked. You might also want to consider the time range for which you want the data cleared. If you're looking to free up a lot of space, or if it's been a while since you last cleared your cache, you might want to select all time from the drop-down menu. After you've made your selections, look for a button that says Clear Data or Delete Data. Go ahead and click on that. This action will clear the cached data from your browser. This process might take a few moments, depending on how much data is being cleared, so be patient. Once the cache is cleared, you might notice that some sites, including Facebook, might take slightly longer to load the first time you visit them. This is because your browser is now downloading fresh data. However, this should resolve any issues you were experiencing and improve the overall performance of Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your Facebook cache. If you continue to experience issues, you might want to look into other troubleshooting steps, such as updating your browser or checking your internet connection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy browsing!